Hello YouTube viewers, welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. In this episode I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Oldsmobile Cutlass by JOHAN. This is a snap kit, no paint or glue required. So I picked this kit up at a local model show. Well, actually my wife picked it up for me for Father's Day, my wife and son. Yeah, so it was a very nice surprise as we were going around. Yeah, I looked at the kit, so yeah, my wife and son went ahead and decided to get it for Father's Day. So let's go ahead and take a look at this kit and see what it has to offer. We'll begin with looking at the box art. You know, very indicative of the 1970s. Yeah, the thin white wall. I've been told are old man tires. Well, I must be an old man because I like them. I just like the looks of the thin white wall tires. Yeah, it gives cars lines, character on it. So here we have on this side, we have the directions, that goes in on how to go ahead and put everything together. Pretty basic. This is a snap kit, so not a lot of parts to it or directions. Here we go on the end of the box. It looks just like the front part of the box. The kit number is CS 503. This is one thing I really like about this box art. It shows the Eldorado, the AMC Javelin, the Olds Cutlass, and the Gran Torino Sport. Just great cars, for the time period, and great kits. And again, this wraps up that side. Let's look at the bottom. Here we have a breakdown. Try to do this so we can get everything. Breakdown of how the parts go together. The clear window glass, the tub, and the chassis and the wheels. Sorry, trying to get everything in the camera angle. Not really cooperating with me well on that, but you get the idea. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what we have inside. Okay, got a set of decals for the official pace car version of this kit, which is a great addition. They look like they're in really good shape, so I'll have to look whether I will use these if I decide to go that route, or if I make another set, and keep these intact, due to their age. Again, they look very nice. I'm not sure if they're original to this kit, but they're in there. So, if they're not original to the kit, it's a great piece to add on. Maybe somebody can leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if they were original to the kit. All right, so let's see what we have in here. A lot of parts. They're all bagged up nicely from the seller that I purchased from at the show. All right, steel axles. Pretty straightforward there. The wheels and hubcap assembly, or again, there we go. The old man thin white wall tires. Love them. Got our chrome front and rear bumper, and on the bumper it's stamped 1975, so there we go. So it's definitely a 75 model. Again, some more chrome, the headlights and tail lights, the dash assembly and the steering wheel. Well, everything's put together, so I'm not going to take it apart on camera. But the body, the interior tub, and the chassis, one-piece molded chassis, which is fine. Nice detail on it. So I'm pleased with the way everything's looking. Nice clean body, straight, no warpage. not a fan of the color, so I'll have to decide which way I want to go with it. It might be nice to do the pace car version of this kit. Well, anyway, as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next update. I've been trying to do unboxings and stash ads, so it's time to get back into some building. I was taking a little bit of a break. So, again, thanks for watching. Have a safe and blessed day. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. We'll see you on the next build.